Wil jy stability wees? Kyk hierso. Right? Jy sien waar dit is nou? Do you guys see why I every time tell you I'm a fuck up specialist? Because I'm fixing stupid mistakes. I had a torch on sit vir julle. But I have a torch in my hand. That is not a 7W oil pump, no? That is the 1.8 of the Chevy utility bakkie, which is, this is wrong on the pickup. You understand? And due to that being wrong, yeah. So now, this customer would like to drive his vehicle and not have it standing as a lone ornament, man. So now, ek moet nou via a olie pump change form again, because that is what they did. They did a major and yeah. Ek moet nou al daai goed nou weer change. Nou sien julle hoekom ek kan praat oor die goed, van ek encounter die goed. Why can I write research papers about this? Because this is what I go through. I can only confirm it once I've done it 4, 5, 6 times. Then I can give you a research paper about it. Because now it's becoming consistent. Right? Stupid mistakes, basically.
Okay, so payment.
That's bakkie nummer 2 met dieselfde probleem, né? Wat die net.
Next.
Verkeerde oliepomp op. Salesman, julle ouens gaan gemou raak deur die ouens wat verkeerde pompe kry, né? Ek gee julle maar net 'n heads up. So we're changing that one because the O2 does not turn into the manifold that's on the car. It is my good thing we're changing the manifold because yeah. Whatever, I think there's problems with misfires and wondering why it's misfiring, okay? At least we are addressing this shit. This is still the same bakkie, no? Sien? Daar lê die boude. Die oliepomp kom af. Only fun part is somebody deleted the knuckle. So ek gaan op 'n claim in 'n hele exhaust. And then you ask me why I bill per hour. As for the this and the onvis and all the fuck ups that I'm going to encounter, that I'm going to suckle with, unfortunately it's on your dime. Ek gaan 'n vloekskel in my hande vol bloedmerke maak for no reason, né? This is how this shit works. Labor costs involved. That is what you're paying. You're paying for labor and bloedgeld and experience. Ja, bro? Yeah. This is your local fuck up specialist.